In some Latin America countries, we observed an increase in cases of high pathogenic avian influenza in wild birds, but not in commercial birds. In some regions, wherever the commercial poultry flocks were largely affected when the virus began to be isolated in wild birds. So, what are the factors that can interfere in these cases?
Yeah. Well, it's whether the virus will go from wild birds to poultry is, well, first, biosecurity is very important. And also luck, pure luck. If your infected birds are in an area in which there is no poultry, well, then it's quite easy to have a sufficient biosecurity. But if your infected geese or ducks, whatever, are around the farms, because you have a lot of farms in close to a river or to a low level, then biosecurity, in our experience, is not enough. There can be one mouse, one fly, one feather from an infected chicken that's coming in by the air inlet can infect your flocks. So biosecurity is very important, but also pure luck. Where are your farms and where are the wild birds that are infected?